Hello, in this video session I'm going to show you how to allocate trims. To do this, click on the docket management and choose trim planning. Here in this screen you can see all the orders, their styles, their delivery date, customer, and the trims that you need for this order. You can also see variant free stock for each item. If you want, you can allocate the items from the warehouse that you needed instead of purchasing. So to do this, find a suitable item which has free stock. As you can see, we have for separate orders, we have separate items and we need required these quantities, and this is the free stock. To make the allocation, right click on the desired order and choose received allocation option. Here you are going to see the receipt that you have free stock. Here you can also see the quantity, reserved quantity, and the balance. Click on the receipt number that you want to allocate, then click allocation button. If you have enough, the quantity what you need for this order will show up here automatically. After you close, the system will automatically update and will deduct from the free stock as well.